It's us.
What's good, y'all boys, man? Niggas outside. It's your boy Trxp. Make sure y'all boys go clap y'all shit. Link in the description, man. Trap, bro. We outside, nigga. We in Germany somewhere in the castle, some shit. I don't know. I just got to Germany like 2 weeks ago, bro. I don't know none of this shit. We outside. Hey, man. Hold on. Talk to him, twin. Talk to me, twin. Talk to me. What's going on?
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Talk to him, twin. He got turbo his shit loud. All right, my boy. Shit, everybody in this motherfucker. No cap. On my soul. I thought that a bit deep. Cause I put up with a Z, cause I got the beamer. It's like it. Oh, that shit weak. Turn me up. Hey man, look at your trap world. Link in the bio. Or description, whatever you want to call it. Link in the description, my phone, I'm tripping. Link is in the bio too though. Fuck it. I really just like how it sounds on the beat. These some German cribs. I like this one. Them shit's kinda mid. I'm gonna give y'all niggas a Germany tour for the niggas that ain't never been out here. This shit kinda boof.
Play this shit recorded.
Oh, Karen getting mad. Bro, Germans be staring mad hard. Hey, that nigga that ran Volkswagen cranking now.
Dust on everybody's shit.
Nah, he definitely is putting dust on everybody's shit. Tell his ass to stop. Cause I got 2 hands on the wheel. You gotta understand, look. Cause I got 2 hands on the wheel, man.
Look how narrow these wheels are.
Nah, I feel you though. 2 hands kinda wicked.
Yeah, let's count shit.
Go cop your trap, bro. Link in the description, man. Ooh. Hey, man. Once my car gets shipped to Germany, I want y'all boys to know I'm dropping straight videos, bro. I'm on that. No cap. Wait till the Marrow get out here. When the Marrow get out here, it's over with. I'm fucking the streets up. I'm about to do a whole bunch of work on my car too. Y'all boys stay here and stay tuned to the process. I got y'all. Y'all boys stay tuned. Cop your truck, bro. Link in the description. Shout out that nigga Carter, man, for the ride. No cap. He didn't go. He didn't go. Cause my shit not here. I ain't got nowhere to drive. Nothing to drive in. Twin lift out. Oh, you can't see my car? Oh, no, so sweet. Man, y'all see it, man. I'm outside at the damn ATM. We finna get some good eats. This shit was supposed to be a car meet video, man, but now we turn this shit into a goddamn. What the fuck? The fuck is this bullshit? Fuck is this shit? Niggas outside, man. In the restaurant over here? Or no? It's out here?
We're gonna drive.
Oh. No, I'm saying like, I thought it was like over here, like.
Oh, not, yeah, it is, but it's like down there.
I had a nigga Carter, bro. He about killed me earlier. Look at that. Look at that. There you go, right now. That boy. Carter fucking shit. For Carter, I think he dead ass like be trolling. I don't know if he be trolling. He be dead ass sometimes. Like he be like trolling. I feel like. He don't take shit serious.
Pull up on your block and I empty the clip. You say that you real, but I know you gon' squeal. You niggas is bitches getting knocked out your ears. We rolling that dope and we cracking the seals. Your bitch in my phone said she catching the pill. I don't know what that is, but you tripping for real. Go get your big brother so he can get killed. I be on the
train station out here.
You niggas is capping.
We're gonna drive through on the way home.
Working for niggas who steal. My niggas don't speak, they just pop up and kill you. Sign up for this shit. Bitch, I been a player, I been in that
cut it up.
chasing that thing like my name was Khalil. You called it 30, I let that bitch spill. Like they all
Nigga, some goodies for that boy Carter, man. Some good eats, nigga.
Stroke it in mother.
Fuck it.
I thought you were going to the train station first. That's all.
Some good eats. Ooh. Who?
But nah, cause I was.
Hey, I'm on that though. I'm on that.
You was doing about 90 around the turn, bro. I'm like, yeah, okay, we out there. I'm like,
That shit's smooth, right?
yeah, I'm like, okay, we taking turns. But I feel like they slowed you down because I was on your ass and I was doing.
Yeah, bro.
We finna walk in this bitch, so they talking about this menu. This the presentation right here, man. Y'all boys tap in and walk eat R. Walk eat R. How you say it? Walk eat R?
Walk eat out.
Ooh, walk eat
But
R.
the same. It's
Okay.
okay.
Walk eat R.
You over here cutting the food for no reason.
Nah, I am, but she was dead ass asking you. That's it. Yep. Thank you. Huh? Walk down. Shit. No.
Gentlemen, 5 minutes, please.
Huh?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Thank you. Nah, I be trolling. I ain't like you bullshit. I just came from Korea, bro. Yeah, I came from Korea. I don't want that.
So I'm on Korean, bro.
Nah, I ain't lying. You say that now. He say that now. Till he see Koreans, bro. Nobody want that shit.
I heard Koreans be saying.
Get your hands out your pants, man.
When we get to train, I'm walking on the hoe. I don't give a fuck. Stop the cap. What is you talking about?
Walking up to a house.
Yeah, I'm just fuck is you talking about, sweetie?
You won't do it.
Who? I'm living.
Hey, Amito.
He's streaming today.
It's
Break
on
it.
camera now.
Oh, yeah, it's on camera. It's whatever. I'm on whatever.
Now with the album out, are you paying attention?
Y'all heard that on camera. He
on
said he
camera.
gonna walk up on the hoes at the train station.
I'm just going for anyone. I'm just going for anyone.
What do you mean by that?
If I get to the train station and he don't get no bitches, we on his ass.
It ain't even about me getting bitches. I'm just doing it. Just
All right, well, if he don't go up to any
There you
bitches,
go, there
we
you
on
go,
his
there you
ass. So that,
He's gotta let you slide his car.
no cap. If you don't get no bitches, you gotta slide the motherfucker like for one time.
slide it as in like try to hit a donut in this bitch.
Bro, you can hit a donut at the train station. It's big enough. I've done it.
Yeah, I know you have.
That shit was smooth,
Alright.
bro.
So if you don't go up to no bitches and you don't get no bitches, you got, this is video proof.
Alright, you got video proof.
If he don't get no bitches, I get to slide his shit. No cap. I'm on that.
You know, bro. You just said if I don't go, if I
Okay,
get
my
no,
bad.
no bitches.
If he
bro.
don't walk up to some bitches, I get to slide his shit. I feel like if they gotta accept him though. I feel like. Oh shit, that's a German thug. You saw that?
Nah.
Bro, it was a dude, bro. He had like OD net tats and shit.
Oh, yes.
Shit, how much?
So that's for both of you, 22.50, and for you,
Hold on, let me get some action on this one.
and for you, 27, please.
Your shit cost more than that shit? I ain't gonna lie, I just like find it mad weird how this man walked through both of us. Well, he first came in with his head like towards the camera, then he turned and went the other way and went through both of us. I ain't gonna lie, like there was mad space behind the cameraman. Why didn't he just walk around?
You gonna look at this?
Oh, take this one. Yeah, that's for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Can't yell me out.
Nice day. Grab this bit. Oh, I got some silverware. I got me a fork in that bit. She want the aqua.
That German thug, yeah.
The German thug, he in there, bro.
He over there.
He got neck tap. He a German thug. I'm trying to get that. Ooh, that bitch sound aggressive. She want the agua. You want that shrimp fried rice? Shrimp fried rice?
Bro, hey, this Arabian looking at us, bro. You don't like
I'm not racist. Fuck. Bro, I just dropped my fucking fork. Fuck. Yeah, that Korean water. It's that same water they had when I was in Korea, I think. I don't remember. Oh, they got the prime shit in here. That's hard. Fuck it, prime in Germany. Oh, they got the lemonade though. Hold on. Damn. Oh, we got the lemonade though. Shit. Them boys in Europe be hip to the game. Excuse me. You got forks? Fork?
Yeah.
Fork? Fork?
This one.
Fuck. Alright, buddy.
That's it?
Yeah. Do you have a fork? No? No fork?
No.
I don't even know what a fork is, bro. I hate being overseas.
Receipt?
No. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I hate being overseas, bro. They don't fucking understand shit I be saying, bro. I said, wow. What? Oh, we got a Magnum? Is that a Magnum? Oh, shit. We just put up to the train station, I guess. At the train station, finna get some. Oh, shit. Finna eat some goodies. Oh, you know, finna fit in there.
You don't think so?
Nah. Where that snake at? There you go. Hold on. Let's see what we talking about, man. Let's see the goodies. Ooh. Y'all see it, man? Little tiny joint, little tiny joint. This shit went from a car meet video to a vlog to a mukbang. This nigga, look, he got niggas at his car. They over there, dick riding. Oh, they all up in his shit. What the fuck?
Get your ass on, boy.
That's why we tried to bring the rest of the car shit, but they do too much.
They reaching all up in bro shit. Crash out, fuck it. This shit's hard though. Want some shit? You feel me? Maybe they go in the train station. Carter said, this boy Carter right here said he gonna back him a bitch. If he don't go in here and talk to any females, I get to slide his whip. Fuck it. My T pull up and be like, I'm done eating, what y'all doing? I'm like, damn nigga. Nigga look, he just started eating for real.
Some motherfucker came up to me with some stank ass bread talking about Revy. I'm trying to eat my egg roll, bro. Oh God.
Hey, in Europe. Oh!
You better stop before you make the block too hot for us.
Them boys start staring hard as shit.
Jack off! Take off on him, man. I'll leave your ass in the dust, bro. The cops come. Remember last time?
We came through fucking up Eater that one time, but I swear to God.
He said he dipped on police.
We did. I kid you not, we was over here doing the same shit. Acting a fucking fool.
Yeah, like,
What?
about 6.
Damn!
They want to ride, bro. They already know.
English? Nope.
We want
Oh my
to,
God.
we want to drive with you.
Drive with us?
Yes.
How old are y'all?
50.
Oh, hell no.
We know English.
We know speaking.
Yeah?
Yes or no?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Me know English.
Cap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Me know English. Huh?
He speaks Dutch.
Yeah? Espanol.
Español.
Oh, they want to raise
Wait, wait.
Yeah?
Pedro un poquito español.
Nigga got a ticket. This nigga running to go piss. Look at this nigga. He finna go piss in the middle of nowhere. Hey! He out here pissing.
Don't fuck my car, but
Hey.
you better.
Ruffle let me slide his shit. We in Germany with it, nigga. Okay.
He really about to do this shit. Bro, we gotta go. Come on, we gotta go.
I got too many hoes. I can't hang you.